Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Hippo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Hippo, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser on your device. Navigate to the Hippo website. Locate the Sign In or Get Started button on the home page. Click on the button to proceed to the login page. If you're a new user, look for the option to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After completing the form, click the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification message from Hippo. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Hippo website and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. To connect with others, navigate to the Connections or Community section. Search for users or groups you'd like to connect with. Click on their profiles to view their information. Send connection requests or messages as needed. You can also customize your profile to enhance your networking opportunities. Make sure to complete your profile with relevant details and a profile picture. Utilize the search feature to find specific interests or topics within Hippo. Engage with content by liking, commenting, or sharing posts from other users. Stay active and participate in discussions to build connections more effectively. Regularly check notifications for updates on your connection requests and messages. Keep your profile updated to reflect any changes in your professional interests. With these steps, you're now ready to connect and engage with Hippo's community effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.